So, I'd love to talk about the benefits of rearing black soldier fly, that is the BSF. Welcome once again to this next amazing platform for learning. Black soldier fly, as you had seen early in the previous episodes, these are just insects which are typically from the fly family, and they take over 43 days, unlike the flies which take 7 days to survive. So we have various benefits of rearing these black soldier flies. Number one benefit includes BSF serve as a great source of protein, both animal protein and even I can say plant protein. Now, how are they a great sources of protein? We see that black soldier fly, they do feed on a variety of feeds, majorly organic waste, apart from metallic waste and plastic waste. So all those are the varieties of feeds of organic waste. They are sources of food to the BSF. So if BSFs are feeding on the variety of feeds, then they must attain high protein content. And it has been proven that black soldier fly have 45% to 60% protein content. So when they are fed by poultry, and even when I'm talking about poultry, I'm talking about all categories of birds, and when they are fed by domestic animals such as pig and even some dogs, they can feed on this they can also feed on these black soldier flies. So once they feed on them, they absorb a percentage of around 45% to 60% protein content. So apart from proteins, black soldier fly consists of other food nutrients such as fats at around 10%, and then we have carbohydrates at a percentage of around 20%, and even some minerals. Number two benefit of black soldier fly is that the black soldier fly can help in cleaning the environment, whereby the organic waste which are present in the environment can be taken to the black soldier fly farms, and then they be used as feeds to these black soldier fly. So in this case, we find ourselves reducing the kitchen waste, we reduce the market waste. Apart from market waste, we also reduce the farm waste. So animal droppings can be used as a source of food to these BSFs. Plant waste, the leaves and the fruits can also be used as a sources of food to this BSF. Now, in addition to these black soldier fly, they are also great sources of manure, and the benefit of this manure is that the manure is well shredded, in that once you introduce the organic waste into the black soldier fly rearing crates, they do feed completely on this waste until everything is completed, and then whatever you obtain is a manure which is termed as frass. And this frass, it has been proven to have a high absorbent rate to the plants. This frass consists of all the 15 elements of soil nutrients, that is the CHO, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We have the NPK, nitrogen, hydrogen and potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and then we have manganese, we have magnesium, we have iron, we have boron, and even any other nutrients, adding up to the 16 components of plant nutrients. So these nutrients have been proved to improve the plant growth rate. Having known that this frass is organic, so it can stay in the soil for a long period of time. So if it can stay in the soil for a long period of time, it means soil fertility is going to be improved in turn. So we are going to have a conducive soil for growing almost each and every type of crop that we want in our farms. Apart from the BSF being used as a source of manure, I can say Black soldier fly, they contribute to the plant and animal diversity in the environment, whereby once they feed on the dead organic whatever, they act in conjunction with the bacteria, which bacteria stimulates the decomposition process. So manure is being released to the plants. After the plants have feed on the manure, they absorb the 16 elements, right from the major elements or major nutrients, in other words macronutrients to micronutrients, and even the trace elements. So once the plants consume them, they are being consumed by animals. Then the death process occurs. All the waste is being returned again to the BSF housing unit or the BSF crates for the cycle to continue. So you can see another benefit there, apart from the biodiversity conservation and improvement, it contributes to nutrient cycling in the environment or food chain. And another thing I can say, black soldier flies are great sources of feed to some communities in the world, whereby we have this. I know human beings have a problem with feeding on insects, but we have some communities that do feed on the insects. So some people have adopted the feeding of black soldier fly after realizing that they have a high protein content or other nutrients in high value. And lastly, I can say that apart from all those black soldier fly, they are very beneficial in that when someone adopts this black soldier fly farming, he can use the larvae in terms of food addition, food value addition. What do I mean by value addition? This one is just improving the value of a product. For instance, the maize millers can adopt this, whereby they mix black soldier fly flour with maize flour. Then we have an improved flour, whereby this one will be boosting the immunity of people. And in most researches, black soldier flies have been showing that majorly in poultry farming, those poultry that have been reared under black soldier fly, they prove to have a better growth rate, in that black soldier fly boosted their immunity or their immune health. So you can see when people consume this flour, which is value added, and the value addition comes as a result of incorporating black soldier fly flour with maize flour, it means these people will be healthier, as they will be obtaining almost all the food nutrients that they require. That is carbohydrates, vitamins and proteins, and even the minerals, you see. So that is all about black soldier fly farming. For more information, you can reach out.